Good morning everyone. Now, do you remember last week in our assembly when we all sang If You're Happy and You Know It? Well, this week I thought it would be really nice if at home you could have a go at singing You're Happy and You Know It with me. So let's see if you can all try and do that and send them through to us. You know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy and you know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy. Now, first of all this week we're going to talk about International Family Day. Last year we had a really big event at school which we all enjoyed, where all your parents, aunties, uncles, friends, grandparents came to the school and we did lots of different activities in the playground together. Now, I thought I would show you my family. Now, this is my family, my two boys. They're a little bit older than this now, and I have got a picture of them older. My one son is 17, and the other one is 14. So that's my family who are at home. And I'm sure that all of you are with your family at home. But there are lots of members of our family that were missing at this time. And this is my photo. It is very small, of all of my family, and we put it together because I can't go and see my mum and dad, and I can't see my sisters and brothers, and I can't see my nieces and nephews, and I'm sure there's lots of you that can't see your grandparents either. So I thought today we'd think about those special family members that we can't visit, but we are very lucky that today we are able to speak to them and see them through our telephones, through our laptops, through our iPads. So we are very lucky that we can still communicate with them where we can see them today. Because in the past, very long time ago, we wouldn't have been able to do that. So we have to think how lucky we are. So on Friday, I hope that you all celebrate International Family Day with your families and do something special or say something special to your family members. Now, next, I think we're going to do the birthdays. And in May, we have lots of birthdays. We have Isa R, Avnor, Michael N, Rattan, Totty, Yumina, Kabi, Daniel. It's Elaine's birthday and it's my birthday in May. So let's sing happy birthday to everybody that's got a birthday in May. Are we ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Next, we've got our wow moments. Now, I wonder who has got a wow moment this week, and I have a very long list that I've had a look at and all the teachers have had a look at. So let's see who's on our list for a wow moment this week. First of all, we've got Adam. Now, Adam has been working really hard doing his phonics work. He's made so much progress with all his sounds, so well done, Adam. Then we've got Alec. Alec has been so good and so busy practicing his letter formation and his number formation. But he's also been out in the garden taking care of his vegetables. So well done, Alec. Then we've got Azan. Now, Azan has gained in confidence and has now got a great attitude towards learning. So that's really good. Well done to Azan. Then we've got George. George has been practicing his counting lots this week, so he's done really well with his maths work. Well done, George. Then we've got Kai. Now, Kai has had the Play-Doh out all week, being very creative, but also he's been looking at different coloured Play-Doh, and he's been matching each colour Play-Doh to the colour straw. So his red Play-Doh to his red straw, his blue Play-Doh to his blue straw, and he knows all his colours now really well. Well done, Kai. Then we've got Ayan. Ayan has been working so hard all week. He's been doing lots of creative activities and he's staying focused for a long time on each activity. So well done, Aeon. Then we've got Finn. Now Finn has been busy making biscuits and then he's been icing each one a little bit differently. So well done to Finn. Then we've got Ibrahim, and Ibrahim has been making a video all about the weather. So well done to Ibrahim. We've got Akeisha. Now Akeisha is one of our youngest children, but she has made up a dance routine and a magic trick, and that was wonderful to see. So well done to Akeisha. Then we have Toti, who has done some fantastic shape work and he's been developing his communication and language skills. And finally we've got Indy for his fantastic dance work. So those are all our wow moments this week, so well done to everyone.